Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Bell Southstone Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Ansel. These are new apartments. These are gorgeous. And we're going to go ahead and take a quick peek at the bedroom and the bathroom of this one bedroom model. This is part two. So let's walk into the bedroom right now. Here's the bedroom. Oh, super, super cute. This is a king bed. There's plenty of space here. It looks gorgeous. And wow, I mean, I like this. I really like that backstop on the bed. That's amazing. It looks so beautiful. But it fits the king bed here pretty, and it's got the nightstands, just really ties it in. You've got some really good windows here, and then you've got a lot of nice space here for that dresser and things like that. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is really clean too. It's very nice. It's a really nice quartz countertop that's over there. Nice size mirror. Super pretty in here, and then it's got that really pretty flooring, just kind of lighter white wood. This is the shower, tub shower combination. Super nice in here. And then here is a mega huge closet. This closet is very big, very, very big. Wow. Okay, this is an A to A plus closet. That's an A at least. That's a really nice closet. Okay, we're back out here just so you can see what it looks like. Gorgeous apartment. Hey, I love this apartment. I think you should tour it. And the best way to do that is a virtual tour. Send me a text, use my number below. Just send me a text, say, hi, Grant, and then we'll set up a live virtual tour. That can happen as early as today. If you send the text and it's early enough, we can take care of that right away. So send me a text. It's a free way to see this beautiful apartment, and it's a part of our 100% free service. Okay, send that text, and we got some more videos to shoot right now.